I want us to simplify the expression below, and that expression is 3x plus 9x. For me, the best way of thinking about this is 3 times x really means x plus x plus x. So 3 times x means you have 3 x's, and then we're adding 9 times x. 9 times x means you have an x plus an x plus an x. Well, you have 9 of them. 4, 5, 6, and notice this is very tedious, so this is part of why it's so important to have this shortcut. Writing out 9x's is difficult for me. I often lose count, so I'm going to try just go back and count them again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 x's added up together, and that's what 9 times x means. So if we're adding up all these x's, here we have 3 and here we have 9 more, eventually we're going to have 12 x's, and that's our answer, G. And let's look at this a little bit deeper. A procedure for adding up x, let's say we have a, some number, times x, plus b times some x. In this case, a is 3 and b is 9. We always will have a plus b x. So we can just add the coefficients when we're adding up these variables. And the reason why we can do that goes back to this scenario right here. And one of the most fundamental properties, the associative property of addition. And we don't need to think about the associative property every time we're doing this, but that's why it works. The associative property tells me that if I have something, a group of, and then plus a group of something else, I can rearrange these parentheses and group the numbers any way I want when I'm adding or multiplying, and the answer won't change. So here, instead of just thinking of this group of in parentheses and this group right here in parentheses, I can just think of them all as one large group. And I can just erase these parentheses right here. The associative property tells me I can regroup them, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Instead of 3x's and 9x's and then adding them up together, I'm just saying group them all together, all 12x's. And that's the associative property.